Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix unfortunately Snapchat has stopped problem. So first thing first, this happens when your application has glitch in itself. First of all, let's go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, select apps. Here also search for Snapchat. Then here tap storage and clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password of Snapchat, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Then come back onto app info page, tap on force stop and then OK. Now restart your device, launch your application and this shall work. If it's still not working, then you can simply reinstall this application after uninstalling it, and then this will definitely fix your problem.